red sample has 115 resting heart rate. And then I have 3 blanks. Let's see what she does. Come here. Come. Lazy, come. Hi. Yes! Good girl, yes. Good job. Okay. Here, please. No. Please. No. Down. I'll take that back, thank you. Down. Over here. Maisie, thank you. Hi. Love you. Yes. Thank you. That was the red one. Place. Place. Good. Down. Stay. Okay. Hi. Good job. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Good job. Place. No, you don't need to bring one to you every time you go. Place. Down. Okay. Come. Easy. Come. Come. Come on. Daisy, let's go. Come on. Good. Hi. Yes, good job. Good job. Okay, place. No. Why do you want to bring one with you every time you go? Come on, place. Down. Thank you. Right here. Come here. Lazy, come. All done. Release. Lazy, come on. Thank you. Thank you, silly bug. Thank you. Yes! Good job. Good job. I'm gonna watch that back, but I think that was 5. If not, we do it again. Woo. The next round is, this is the 115 sample, and this is cotton that the 115 sample's on, but this one is blank. Ooh. place again. Maisie, come. Yes. Thank you. Yes. Good job. She thought about the other one. She was like, Good job. Okay. Place. Come on. Place. Stay. Maisie, come. Come. Let's go. Maisie, let's go. Yes, hi. You playing games with me? Are you playing games? Yes, good job. Good job. Okay, place. Place. Stay. Okay, come here. Easy. Come here. Let's go. Come. I know. Yes. Good job. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, place. Maisie. Hey. Stay. I don't remember how many I've done. I think this is 3. Maisie, come. Come. Oh, I know. Yes, thank you. Oh, where'd it go? I think she threw it under the bed. Where'd you throw it? Where is it? Wait. I know you're excited. Hold on. No, we already got it. We already got it. Here's red. Maisie, come. Drop it. Thank you. Place. Come on. Down. So that should be 3. Maybe. Maybe we're doing 6. Okay. Maisie, come. Good. Good girl. Good job. I know. What is that? That was just a live alert for 126. So you just did a live alert and decided to bring me a blank one. She realized it was wrong. Yes. Thank you. Good job. Place. Down. So she just live alerted to 126, and then brought me a blank and realized it was wrong, brought it back, got the correct one. I think this is the last. Maisie, come. Come. Good. I know it's hard. Thank you. I know. You told me. Yes, you told. I know. I thank you. I'm aware. Thank you. Can you go look at the samples? Please, real quick. Can you do samples real quick? Yes, thank you. Good job. Come here. Please. Down. What a weirdo. So for this one, we are putting in a piece of kibble. I know. Back. Back. Back up. No. Back, back, back. Back, 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 back. She says nope. Leave it. Turn this down a bit. So So it says if a 115, this one has kibble. These two are blanks. Come. Place. Down. Lazy, come. Hi. Hi, dear. Go tell me. Go. Why are you so excited? You gonna go look at him? I know you don't want to get the wrong one. Yes, yes. Good job. Where'd you put it? Did you just drop it? Where'd it go? You just picked it up. Oh, it's right here. Hold on. Leave it. Okay, Daisy, come. Play. Down. She was so unsure. She was worried about making a mistake with a baby. Daisy, come. Hi. Okay, go tell me which one. Dad, go tell me which one. Yes. Yes. Good job. Okay, place. Down. Come. Hi. Hi, baby. Okay. Okay, I'll scratch your butt, but you gotta go tell me which one, okay? Okay, go tell me. I know. Can you go tell me? It's over there. You're looking at him. You did it. Yes, thank you. You're so worried. You did great. Okay, place. Down. Stay. Okay. Round of 4. Easy. Come. Come. Thank you. Thank you. Big butt scratch. You're doing so good. Okay, go get number 4. I know. I'm right here. Tell me. Are you tired? Go tell me. Go tell me. Ooh, she thought about the one. Good. Yes. She thought about the one with the kibble. Okay, place. No. Thank you. Down. We're on the last one. We're on 5. Good job. Okay, Lazy, come. I know it's hard. I know. You go tell me. Bless you. Go tell me. Yes. Good job. Good job. Place. I already. Oh, thank you for Brinzel alert. Wow. Oh, don't throw up. Lazy, place. Down. Stay. We are on to our last trial. As usual, the red one has a 115, and this one between my fingers here has, what, like 85 beats per minute? I'm pretty sure that's what that one is. Why did I put you up there? I just took it, so let me check. Yeah, around 95. 85, 95, whatever it was then, but then I started moving. Maisie, come. Hi. Can you go tell me? There's no kibbles this time, I promise. Go tell me. Go tell me. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Maisie, please. Please. Down. That was one. Maisie, come. Come. Hi. How are you? Got 4 more to go, and then you're done, okay? I know, it's been a big day. Go tell me. Yes! Good job, good job. Good job. Okay, place. Down. Yeah, this is still the around 85, 95 range. I don't know what I'm at. 3? No, because we just did 2. So this is 3. Okay. Maisie, come. Hi, bug. Okay, 2 more. 2 more. Can you give me 2 more? Go tell me. Bless you. Yes. Good. Good. Maisie, please. 1 more. Come on, please. No. Please. So I'm trying to remember how many we did. And I think we've only done 3, so we need 2 more, and I lied to her, but she can't count, so that's okay. Maisie, come. Come. Hi. Hi. Good. Good job. Good job. Plates. Down. Do this one and then another one just to be safe. Because I can't count. Okay, Maisie, come. Come. The lower I get, the more you listen. How does that work? Go tell me. Go tell me 2 more. I didn't lie. I promise. Go tell me. Over there. Go tell me. Yes. Good job. Good job. Okay, Maisie, please. 1 more, just to be safe. Hey, please. No, please. Down. You're a cheater. Maisie, come. 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 How low do I have to get for you to listen? How low do I have to get? Okay, go tell me. You go tell me and we can play. Yes. Good job. Good job. All time. All time. Can I have high fives? Yeah, high fives. Pick up, pick up. Come here. High five. Oh. Good job.